how that work. Um, it, you just install that app in your phone. Then you you put your number. Watch the tutorial in YouTube. They have a tutorial on how to make GCash account. But you still have to have a credit. Ah, if you want a credit card, that's good, because GCash need to cash in a bank